Hello guys, this is FiiO M5, an ultra-portable high-resolution audio player with so much potential. Let's have a look. Before we start the review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable a notification so you won't miss any future videos. Thank you. Inside the box we find the player itself, a Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, two screen protector foil, where one is already applied to the back of the player, and the usual documentation. Besides these, we get a hard shell case with a clip. Build quality of the player is very good. Full aluminum alloy CNC housing. With fully curved edges, no complaints there. The player has 3 physical buttons to sleep, wake and basic music control, such as volume adjustment, next and previous songs, and play pause. Inside the player, we have a single core 1 GHz Ingenic X1000E CPU with 64 MB of RAM. The DAC is an AK4377, which is capable to handle DSD256 files. The M5 is limited to, let's say DSD128. The only reason I can see why, because of the small form factor and the CPU performance. Anyhow, this is still a very good achievement in such a small package. The player is also capable to play back via Bluetooth, thanks to its CSR8675 chip with a fair amount of range. SBC, AEC, aptX and aptX HD and even LDAC. But keep in mind, these are only for receiving from other devices. If you plan to use Bluetooth headphones, SBC and LDAC are your only options for transmitting. So what is this receiving function exactly? Well, you can connect your phone to it and use this player as a Bluetooth receiver. Basically, you can convert any of your IEMs or headphones into a wireless headgear. Pretty neat function. And also, since the player has a built-in noise cancel microphones, you can make phone calls in a noisy environment. My first idea was this is a great feature, for example during cycling. The extreme wind noise can be a real pain with standard headsets. But with these neat features, my phone can sit peacefully in my bag and I can control the audio and phone calls with this tiny device. How cool it is! Anyway, back to the player. The audio quality is always decent, not that I had any trouble in the past with previous FiiO models, so there's that. The 1.5-inch display has enough space to control everything with just a tap or swipe. The built-in USB-C connector is only 2.0, which is a bummer if you plan to copy huge amount of files, so if possible use a fast card reader instead. Anyway, you can copy files even from a phone via a USB-C OTG cable. Handy little features I really like. Since there's no built-in storage, you have to keep in mind that you will need a microSD to store your songs as well. During the review I used it every single day and the daily 2 to 3 hours of music listening was enough to charge it only one time during the week, so battery life is pretty neat as well. Anyway, I think FiiO M5 is a decent little player with so many options and features. DSD5 playback, nice Bluetooth features, 2TB microSD support, built-in noise cancelling microphones for voice calls and even a step counter for you fitness lovers. If you plan to buy this, please check the links in the video description. This helps to keep up the channel grow and support our work. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section and I will try to answer all of them. Thank you and have a nice day.